Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going fishing on the river and I'm going to try and do something I haven't done before. Um, and the reason being is because I want to try and beat my best 5 weight for last year, or my best 5 weight overall, which I got last year, which was 1505 for my best 5. And today we're going to throw strictly swim bait, or big baits I should say. Which 2 of which aren't really that big, in my opinion. They're on the smaller side, but they're considered big baits. So I'm going to show you from the smallest to the biggest bait, and I'm going to go over them real quick. I'm really pumped for today. I can't wait. First up, we have the Mega Bass 135B Eye Slide in Baby Bass. That's a 5-inch bait. Next up, we have the 6 cents Draw Glide. This is either the moderate sink or the fast sink, I can't remember, but it's the Tackle Warehouse and 6 cents, the bait camp colors. This is the matte ice minnow. That's a 6.5-inch glide. Next up, we have a weedless Huddleston 68 special in black silver, and it's ROF 12. Next up, we have the Berkley Nessie 7-inch in albino or white, whatever you want to call it. Then we have the Real Bassin Glide Bait of the Month. It's a chartreuse color. This is a 7-inch glide. 7-inch glide bait. Which that bait, I really like that bait. It's a color that I kind of helped design, and he threw it together, and it looks awesome. Can't wait to catch my first fish on it, hopefully today. And then next we have the Throwback Baits Wake Walker. This is a 7-inch bait, and this is color called Flea Shad or something like. It's a shad color. I can't remember the exact name of the color. Next up, we have a Huddleston 8-inch in the it's just like brown or something like that it's called, but in my opinion it's kind of like a hitch color because you can see the light bluish green right here. It's got a brown top, and this is a ROF 5, so it's got a slow sink rate. I'm just gonna fish this shallow. And then lastly, the biggest bait of today, we're going to throw the Mike Buka 9-inch bull shad. So, like I said, I'm pumped. I got my boat loaded and all of my big baits. Those are just the ones I want to start off with. And I might change throughout the day. We'll see what happens, and we'll catch you on the water. Let's go catch some big bass today. Just got to the river. We're going to start throwing that Berkley Nessie size 7. Down there, babe. Yeah, I'm trying. There we go. Oh, we go. He come out and crushed it.
Is it a big one?
Yeah.
What?
It's a good, it's not huge, but it's a good one. Heck yeah. That's a nice fish. Oh man. That's going on the best 5. Watch your feet so I don't get them all wet. Heck yeah, look at that. This is my first fish on this bait. This is the 6 cents, 6.5 inch draw glide bait in the color matte ice minnow. That's a Tackle Warehouse and 6 cents exclusive color. And that nice fish just clobbered it. All right, is a 330. 330. Heck yeah.
What it up? What did it? Nice fish, babe.
Thank you. All right, let's get a quick release on it. All right. Thank you, bud. There she goes. Heck yeah.
There you go. Are you happy?
Oh, heck yeah.
Happy with the day if you only catch that one?
Yeah, that was, I mean, that's a big fish. And for my first fish to be on this bait to be a 330, that's awesome. That just made everything worthwhile. There it is. Goodness gracious. Good thing I got that net, so I have to mess with this.
What is it?
It's a northern.
I'll take a picture. Is it a big one?
It's a little guy.
Maybe I'll try
There.
the
Alright. I ain't. Yep, take a picture.
fish. Just said it. Grab him!
Alright, there we go. Hurry up, because we got
Got it.
Alright, we're gonna let it go. Thank you, bud.
Oh. Now that's a big one, baby.
Get that net ready for me, will you? Goodness gracious.
Ow!
What are you doing?
I just knocked my head off.
Alright. God, hey.
Oh.
Hey,
Baby, you should let me do it.
he's bigger than the net.
Woo! Another thing? Oh.
Oh! 33 incher. We're gonna release her. Thank you, girl.
I can't see.
No. Man, she is beautiful. That's a nice fish right there. Come on. I know. I don't want you to kick off yet. Man, look how thick she is.
Let me try to get a different angle.
Oh, she's taking off. Oh, she's out of here. Another big northern.
Are you kidding me?
No.
You need the net? You need the net?
Yep.
Oh, he has a big wound on him.
Yeah, you seen that?
He's not as big.
No. He's not as heavy either.
Still a good one though.
Oh,
Probably like a 30.
oh yeah. Easily 30, 31. Alright, come on, bring the net on over here.
I could probably
Oh,
hit him.
that. He's still wanting to fight. Oh, there you go.
God. What is that from?
Mm-hmm.
Don't touch it! Ugh.
Poor guy got beat up.
Your finger went right into it.
Oh, it's all right. It's not like it's a disease or anything.
I hold it like you were.
All right, you want to grab the camera and we'll get a
Come on,
release
listen.
on it? Okay. Thank you, buddy. Oh, that's probably another, that actually might be another 33, just not as thick.
What is that from? Another pike?
I don't know, but
Because that one looks like a bite mark.
if that's a fish, I don't want to see what that fish is.
Can a turtle do that?
I don't think so. Come on. I know you're good. Don't go off unless you're... I don't want you going off unless you're good. There you go. That was a good kick. Little baby northern. Thank you, bud.
Did you hear what I said?
The wind's so strong, I decided to pick up this Mike Buka Bull Shad 9-inch. We're going to see what happens. Here's a largemouth. God dang, that's a 9-inch bait. Oh my God. God. Take a picture of that, please. My first ever fish on this bait is a dink. He crushed it though. I seen him come out and eat it. That's the crazy thing.
Put it like that. Keep it like that.
I am gonna. I'm pretty sure I missed him earlier, but that's crazy. That's why I'm not scared to throw big baits. 9-inch Mike Buka Bull Shad, probably a 13, 14-inch largemouth. Heck yeah, thank you, bud. I gotta get a high five for that.
I gotta pee.
Hey everyone, we're back at the house. We left a little early due to the weather. It was super high winds. A storm was starting to roll through, and we didn't really want to be out in that weather and have to deal with that, getting soaked or the winds on top of it. It'd have been a nightmare. Chelsea was kind of getting cold too because the winds were picking up even more. We were in a river that I knew should be out of the wind due to the wind direction we had. So I chose to go up into this river, and it was a good call because obviously we caught fish, and not only that, it wasn't terribly windy. I mean, you could feel the wind in some of the spots where it was more open. The wind was coming through pretty good, but most of this river is covered by trees, so you're covered for the majority of it, and it wasn't terrible. But it was a good day. I caught a fish on all four rods that I had on deck, which I didn't get all the rods out that I had with me, but 4 of the rods that I did get out, I caught a fish on one. And not only that, 3 of them rods were 3 baits that I didn't catch a fish on yet. I've had the one for quite a while, the 9-inch buka shad. I've had that for quite a while and I've never caught a fish on it, but I haven't really fished it that many times. Today was kind of my first day of really throwing it, and I caught that, of course, the smallest fish of the day on that. And then the real bass and glide, that was pretty sweet, being that it was a bait that I kind of helped design. I gave him a couple colors to run with, told him how I kind of wanted it laid out, and he did it the way he wanted, and it turned out really good. And obviously the fish liked it, because that big northern that I caught, he absolutely annihilated it. When I was working it back to me, I actually seen my line go from straight to actually having from the tip a big bow down to the water. As soon as I seen that, I was like, a fish just hit my bait. So I hurried up and reeled down to pick up the slack. As soon as I had that slack tight and I could feel the weight, that's when I hit him. And when I hit him, I felt the weight of the fish, and I seen him roll, and I was like, oh boy, this is a big northern. But that was pretty sweet to catch a fish on a bait that I helped design, and the first fish that I've caught on it. And then the 6 cents glide bait, the draw 6.5, that was the first fish I've caught on that, and that was pretty sweet to catch. The first fish to catch on it was a 330 largemouth. That was pretty sweet. So I'm definitely going to be doing that again. Hopefully it's better weather next time and a longer video, more fish catches. So we'll catch you on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.